They're going to the bye-bye? Oh, really?
Calcifer did not have it this day.
Fiorin! No!
That's my fingers.
No, seriously, what is this place?
This is heaven.